Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of dark chocolate. Did you know that dark chocolate, often dubbed the food of the gods, isn't just a delectable treat, but also a potential health booster? This luxurious delight has been cherished for centuries, not only for its rich flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. That's right. This rich, decadent indulgence is packed with beneficial compounds that can positively impact your well-being. From antioxidants to essential minerals, dark chocolate is a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your health in various ways. From boosting brain power to protecting your heart, the latest scientific research reveals surprising reasons to savor a piece or two of dark chocolate. Studies have shown that it can improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and even lower the risk of heart disease. Get ready to discover the sweet side of health as we delve into the fascinating world of dark chocolate and its incredible benefits. Join us as we explore how this delicious treat can be a part of a healthy lifestyle, offering both pleasure and wellness in every bite. Dark chocolate is a treasure trove of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals, unstable molecules produced during normal bodily processes and environmental exposures, can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to inflammation and disease. Enter dark chocolate, armed with an army of antioxidants, including flavonoids, polyphenols, and catechins, ready to neutralize these harmful molecules and safeguard your health. Want to sharpen your memory, enhance focus, and boost your overall brain power? Dark chocolate might be your new best friend. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, particularly epicatechin, have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function. Studies have linked dark chocolate consumption to improved memory, learning, and even a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. So, next time you need a mental boost, reach for a piece of dark chocolate and let the brain-boosting magic unfold. Section 4. Mood magic, the feel-good factor. Remember that blissful feeling you get after indulging in a piece of dark chocolate? It's a moment of pure joy, isn't it? It's not just the taste, it's science at work. Dark chocolate is packed with powerful compounds that do wonders for your mood. Dark chocolate contains compounds that trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. These endorphins create a sense of euphoria and well-being. These endorphins act as natural mood elevators, reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and even alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. Imagine the calmness washing over you as you savor each bite. So, next time you're feeling down, a little bit of dark chocolate might be just what the doctor ordered. It's a delicious way to boost your mood and improve your overall well-being. Treat yourself to a small piece and feel the magic unfold. Section 5. Heart Health Hero. Protecting your ticker. Believe it or not, dark chocolate can be good for your heart. The flavonoids in dark chocolate have been shown to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of blood clots. These heart-healthy benefits are attributed to dark chocolate's ability to relax blood vessels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. Of course, moderation is key, but enjoying a moderate amount of dark chocolate can be a delicious way to support your cardiovascular health. Section 6. Indulge wisely. Savoring the benefits. While dark chocolate offers a plethora of health benefits, it's a treat that can be both delicious and nutritious. However, it's important to remember that not all chocolate is created equal. The quality and cocoa content can vary significantly. To reap the maximum rewards, opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher. This ensures you get the most antioxidants and beneficial compounds. The higher the cocoa content, the more antioxidants and beneficial compounds it contains. These antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, promoting overall health. Additionally, be mindful of portion sizes, as dark chocolate is still relatively high in calories and fat. Moderation is key to enjoying its benefits without overindulging. Aim for a small square or two a day to satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your body and mind. This way, you can enjoy the rich flavors without any guilt. So, go ahead, indulge in the deliciousness of dark chocolate and unlock its incredible health benefits. Remember, a little bit of dark chocolate can go a long way in enhancing your well-being. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.